Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are continuing with the Madness of Map series from the perspective of UPSC CSE preliminary examination. Let's get started, and also make sure that you watch all the previous lectures that we conducted on Shyok River and the Caspian Sea and the Bering Strait as well. Alright, let's get started then. Today we are going to cover the Black Sea. Very important topic. Black Sea has been often asked in your preliminary examination. And always remember, whenever a question comes on seas or on oceans, make sure that you remember the names of the bordering countries. Okay, because that can be asked in the preliminary examination. तो जो भी countries उस sea या उस ocean को border करती हैं, आपको उनका नाम याद रखना है अपने prelims के perspective से, क्योंकि यही बात main है. ठीक है, ये सबसे प्रायोरिटी पे होना चाहिए आप लोगों के. Okay, let's get started. So when we talk about Black Sea, why was it in news? So it has been in news rigorously since 2021, when there was a British warship that was found in the waters of Black Sea. Okay, and Russia alleged that British warship has breached or violated the territorial waters in Black Sea. But on the other hand, Britain said in a statement that the area where our warship was found belonged to Ukraine, because Ukraine is also sharing borders with Black Sea. But Russia says this Crimean Peninsula we had already annexed it in 2014. So this area, Crimean Peninsula, belongs to Russia over here. यहाँ पर रशिया है, रशिया का कहना है हमने तो ये पेनिनसुला 2014 में ही एनेक्स कर लिया था, अपने कब्जे में कर लिया था. So that means this area belongs to us. And if British warship is found in this area, that means it is not controlled by Ukraine, it is controlled by Russia. So Britain is trying to breach the territorial waters in Black Sea. Okay, so this was the controversy. ये controversy थी जिसके अंदर Black Sea news में था. So when we look at Black Sea over here, you can see the bordering countries. First is Russia. ठीक है, पहली bordering country यहाँ पर हमारे पास रशिया है. Then we have Ukraine over here. Okay, then we have Bulgaria over here. Okay, we have Romania over here. टोटल 6 कंट्रीज है ना. यहाँ पर हमारे पास टर्की हो जाता है और जॉर्जिया हो जाता है. तो here we have Turkey, which is the 5th country, and this is Georgia, which is the 6th country. So total 6 countries they actually border the Black Sea. 6 countries हैं जो Black Sea को border करती हैं. ठीक है, ये आपको याद रखना है. This is the Crimean Peninsula, which was annexed by Russia in the year 2014. So over here, as you can see, ये areas हैं आपके Black Sea के. Now when we talk about the Black Sea, it is also known as the Euxine Sea. Why? Because it is anoxic in nature. We will go to that also in a later slide. तो Black Sea को हम Euxine Sea भी बोलते हैं, और ये it is one of the major water bodies of the world, and it is a very famous inland sea of the world. Now here again you can see, I told you in the last lecture of the Caspian Sea also, the seas or oceans which are bordered by the countries जहाँ से बाहर पानी outflow नहीं हो रहा, no water is outflowing outside. So those are inland sea which are bordered by land masses. Okay, so that is why Black Sea is also a very famous inland sea of the world, and it is a very small part of Atlantic Ocean. ये Atlantic Ocean का part है. Okay, ये part आपको याद रखना है. Now it is located between 2 continental areas, Eastern Europe and Western Asia, as you can see in the map also, and it is surrounded in the south by Pontic mountains. These are the mountains with which it is surrounded. ठीक है, in the east it is surrounded by Caucasus mountain, and in the north it is surrounded by the Crimean mountain. जो रशिया के साइड पे आप देखोगे ना, इधर ऊपर की तरफ Crimean mountains आते हैं. ठीक है, and between Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea there is a transitional zone when Mediterranean Sea stops and Black Sea starts, and that transitional zone has 3 kinds of seas. मेडिटेरेनियन सी और ब्लैक सी के बीच में ट्रांजिशनल जोन आता है जिसमें 3 तरीके की सी पाई जाती हैं, डार्डेनल्स, बॉस्फोरस एंड मार्मरा. दिस इज अगेन important from your prelims perspective. What are the seas which are found or which exist between the transitional zone between Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea? So you have to remember these names, DBM और MBD. इस तरीके से आप अपना याद रख लीजिएगा. So as you can see in the map also, the bordering countries are Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania. These are the bordering countries, and this is the mnemonic that you can remember कि आप कैसे याद रख सकते हो. ठीक है, बॉर्डरिंग कंट्रीज का नाम. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर बट, गर्ल. ओके, बट से हो जाएगा, बी से हो जाएगा बल्गेरिया, देन वी हैव यूक्रेन एंड टर्की, then we have Georgia, Romania and Russia. So this can be the mnemonic to remember the names of the countries which are bordering the Black Sea. And remember that Black Sea is connected to the Sea of Azov, which is through the Strait of Kerch. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो Strait of Kerch, ठीक है, इस तरफ आप देख रहे हो, ठीक है. I told you what is a strait. मैंने आपको बताया था स्ट्रेट क्या होता है. A narrow passway between two continental land masses through which the water of the sea or ocean flows, and this is the Sea of Azov. ठीक है, दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. सी ऑफ अजोव, हियर टू कंट्रीज आर शेयरिंग बॉर्डर्स, यूक्रेन एंड रशिया. तो दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रीलिम्स. इसको हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में अच्छे से समझेंगे. एंड इट इज सेड दैट द ब्लैक सी हैज एनॉक्सिक वाटर बिकॉज देयर इज एन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन द वाटर. ब्लैक सी के पानी में ना ऑक्सीजन की कमी, दैट इज वाई इट इज नेम्ड ब्लैक सी. इसीलिए इसको हमने ब्लैक सी नाम दिया है, क्योंकि इसमें ऑक्सीजन की कमी है. एंड इट इज द लार्जेस्ट वाटर बॉडी विद अ मेरोमिक्टिक बेसिन. नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज अ मेरोमिक्टिक basin, that also we should remember. Meromictic basin जो है, यहाँ पर ये basin है. It is a lake which has layers of water that do not intermix as there is lack of oxygen in the water, and there are certain kind of oil spills also which have happened in the Black Sea. Plus it's an inland water body. Water cannot move out because it is covered by land masses. तो दैट इज वाई इट हैज अ मेरोमिक्टिक बेसिन. इसकी जो बेसिन एरिया में जो पानी है वहां पर ना पानी इंटरमिक्स नहीं करता है एक आपस में, बिकॉज इनलैंड सी है ये, पानी बाहर से ज्यादा नहीं है, बाहर से अंदर भी कम आता है. तो इसीलिए इसके दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ लेक विच हैज लेयर्स ऑफ वाटर दैट डू नॉट इंटरमिक्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाई it is known as it has a meromictic basin. Now the anoxic condition is caused due to presence of eutrophication in the sea. All right. Now what do you understand by the meaning of eutrophication? Eutrophication is a process by which an entire body of water becomes progressively enriched with minerals or nutrients. Particularly the nutrients, the minerals will be nitrogen and phosphorus. So basically the area is nutrient induced, and that is why there is more productivity of phytoplankton, and that is why the water becomes the water lacks the oxygen. Okay, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया. And this kind of condition is generally found in areas where they have restricted water exchange. That means in areas where there are inland water bodies, जहाँ पर बाहर से पानी इतना नहीं आता. ठीक है. Now before we solve a prelims based question from this topic, here's a very small announcement for all of you. Price hike on Unacademy Plus subscription will be up to 20% on June 8 at 11:59 PM. 8 जून को 20% का प्राइस हाइक रात को 11:59 PM पर होने वाला है. इंक्रीमेंट होने वाला है प्राइसेस में, हमने एक्सटेंड कर दिया है प्राइस हाइक. तो हरी अप एंड सेव अप टू ₹16,000 ऑन योर UPSC CSE सब्सक्रिप्शन. एंड इवन उसके ऊपर भी आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है अगर आप मेरा कोड यूज करते हो अर्पिता10. ओके, एंड नए बैचेस अनअकैडमी प्लस पर वी आर लॉन्चिंग, एंड दीज बैचेस आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 8th June and 15th June. UPSC 2023 students, if you want proper guidance from Runal sir, you want guidance from Siddharth Arora sir, Prateek Nayak sir, Dipanshu sir, Sudarshan sir, तो आप फटाफट से पवनीत सर, so you can just join Unacademy Plus today, क्योंकि 2 बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. ऑप्शनल भी अगर आपको पढ़ना है तो वी आर हैविंग ऑप्शनल ऑल्सो ऑन Unacademy Plus. ऑप्शनल बैचेस आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 5th June. वी हैव पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, PSIR एंड पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लेक्चर्स जी राजपूत सर ले रहे हैं, एक्स IPS ऑफिसर हिमसेल्फ. तो आप यहाँ पर देखोगे ऑल द टॉप एजुकेटर्स, दोज हु हैव क्लियर्ड दिस एग्जाम, all of them are taking lectures over here. So make sure that you take your subscription. और यहाँ पर ना आपको डाउट से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Even if you have doubts, we have a dedicated doubt solving session also. Books will be dispatched to your house, mock test will be conducted, your answers will be tested, and we have a facility of providing loan if you have any kind of financial hurdle while subscribing to Unacademy Plus. We are giving loan for UPSC CSE as well, जो 0% EMI पे आज से ही आपको मिल जाएगा ताकि आप अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर सको. More details के लिए आप इस नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो. All the links are given below in the description box. Make sure that you take your subscription today. Now let us answer this question. Consider the following pairs. Sea is given and bordering country's name is given. You have to identify the correctly matched pair. Adriatic Sea Albania, Black Sea Croatia, Caspian Sea, यहाँ पर ये गलत लिखा हुआ है, it is Caspian Sea, Kazakhstan, Mediterranean Sea, Morocco, Red Sea, Syria. So which of them is correctly matched? कौन सा पेयर इसमें से correctly matched है? फटाफट से बताओ. These are the options. Option A, option B, option C and option D. Let me know फटाफट से which matches pair is correctly matched. So here Adriatic Sea, Albania is correct. Black Sea, Croatia is wrong. We have studied the mnemonic also, but girl. So B for Bulgaria, Ukraine, Turkey, Georgia, Romania and Russia. So Croatia is nowhere. So 2 is wrong. When 2 is wrong, A will be eliminated, C will be eliminated and D will be eliminated. Using the elimination method, you can easily find out the answer. B is the correct answer. देखा elimination method कैसे use किया जाता है? आपने elimination method का use करके ही correct answer निकाल लिया. So B is the correct answer. Adriatic Sea, then we have Mediterranean Sea and we have over here Caspian Sea. Alright. The PDF of this lecture will be uploaded on our Telegram channel very soon.